it's possible to monetize on Facebook profile with 2 accounts. So, hello guys, what's up? So, a lot of questions that I receive every time if they are asking if it is possible to monetize on Facebook profile with 2 accounts. So, I asked the Meta AI if it's possible to monetize with the 2 accounts with your Facebook profile. So, the answer of Facebook Meta AI is, I will read to you guys. So, having 2 Facebook profile is generally okay. However, when it comes to monetization, Facebook has specific policies. Okay. Monetization policy, 1 account per person. Facebook monetization policy require that you have only 1 account per person. So guys, so it means if you want to monetize on Facebook profile, we can monetize only 1 account. Duplicate account on Facebook detect. Duplicate account they may disable 1 or both account, which is called a picture payout. So it means it will affect your payout guys, and it might be possibility that the payout will be hold if in case you have 2 monetized accounts. So you need to be careful. So rather than monetize on 2 profile, why you are not creating Facebook page, which is you can create multiple times Facebook page to monetize and include in your profile. So same like me, I monetize on my profile and I monetize also on my Facebook page, which is Kabayan in Dubai. So we need to be careful on that. Okay, potential risk. So as I mentioned, it's mentioning here by Meta AI. So payout issue, if Facebook detect multiple account, they might be withhold or delay your payout. So check on that guys, you need to be careful. Account penalties, duplicate account can lead to penalties such as account suspension or termination. So you need to be careful on that. Okay, best practice to avoid issue, consider merging your account or using single account for monetization purpose. So it's okay to have a duplicate account or other profile, but you can use it on guys, like for example on your profile you cannot purchase a star for your followers, because you are giving also star for your followers for appreciation. So if in case your profile you cannot buy a star on that, so you can use on your other account. So it's okay also if you having other account, but this is for personal use only, or no need to monetize on that. Okay, so if unsure about a specific situation, I recommend review your Facebook monetization policy, reaching out on Facebook support for personalized guidelines or guidance. Okay, remember, it's always better to prioritize compliance with Facebook policies to avoid any potential issue with your payout. So guys, so it's not recommended to have 2 profile account and monetize. So in order to not getting any kinds of violation or policy issue on your payout, so use only profile Facebook account, 1 monetize profile Facebook, and you can monetize multiple Facebook page as you want, because in Facebook page there is no limit. So you can have different Facebook page, different name, no problem at all. So guys, I hope you understand the difference of Facebook profile and Facebook page. And please, if you understand my tutorial, don't forget to follow, like, and share. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Hello guys, what's up? Hello guys, what's up for today's video? So we will discuss how to create Facebook page, because some of you guys are monetized with the profile. So if you want extra account and you want to monetize, it's good thing that you have Facebook page, because having 2 profile is difficult to monetize on that profile. It can cause you a policy issue. So I will show you how to create Facebook page. So from here, so if you are here guys, click this, the right side of you, in front of you. Actually, I have already 3 Facebook page that associated on my profile. So from here you can create like this, create profile or page. So create personal profile or create public page. So what you need to do, create public page. Next, and of course enter your name, or in case, so example is, this is example only. So the name of page is, it's all about UEE. So category you can put like music band or health and beauty, grocery. This is example only, guys. Okay, so it's creating now. So bio, for example, it's all about UEE. Okay, later on you can put mobile number, website, or location. Or let's see, Dubai. Of course, include guys the area code. So after that, that's it. Guys, it's very easy only to create. Of course, you need to put your profile. So it's all about put profile. So this is for example only. And then after that, next. So that's it. So select all 1,000 friends to follow. So invite you invite your friend to follow this your new page. So guys, now I have already new page. It's all about UEE. So that's it only, guys. So I hope you understand how to create Facebook page. Please follow for more tutorial update. Thank you so much and have a nice day.
Guys, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share my videos and click the bell button, so that you're updated for my latest videos. Thanks for your support. God bless and have a great day.